If you've had the great fortune of either visiting or growing up in part of the country where fresh clams are in abundance all summer long, lucky for you. For those of you who may not have had this opportunity, once you try these fresh steamed clams that we're making today, you'll know what all the hullabaloo is about. Here we have about 5 pounds of fresh little neck clams. Since they're small, they're great to steam and are super tender. After washing them to remove any sand, we set them aside to drain. Now, meanwhile, in a large pot, we saute some garlic and a bit of olive oil. When it's tender, we add some white wine. After it boils, which takes no time at all, we add our clams. Make sure to cover them so that they really steam. Then we'll add some butter and a bit of crushed red pepper, and we'll let them steam a bit more until they open up. All that's left to do is dump these in a large bowl, along with all that flavorful broth, and let everyone go to town. Maybe serve them up with some crusty garlic bread for Dunkin' and let the party begin. To get the taste of summer as soon as today, head over to our website and look for what we call garlic steamed clams. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an ocean fresh way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.